Hi guys, welcome back to In Case of Econ Struggles and welcome to another Sunday Stata tip. If these videos are helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. If there is a Stata tip or trick you would like to see, make sure to comment below. Today, we are going to talk about generating indicator or dummy variables, and we are going to be talking about how to use an existing variable to generate those dummy variables. What does that mean? Well, we have this auto data set read in, and I've tabbed this repair record from 1978 variable. It's got 5 different values, and I want to make 5 indicator or 5 dummy variables out of this, where each dummy variable is equal to 1 if the repair record is equal to that value. So for example, I would like to generate rep 78 cat 1, where it's equal to 1 if my rep 78 equals 1, like this. So that is what I would like to do for all 5 values. If you're a little confused about how I did this in one step, check out my other Stata tip on generating dummy variables in one line. But now I don't want to write 5 lines for this for every value for rep 78 equals 2, 3, 4, and 5. I would really like to do this in one line for all 5 values. The way I'm going to do that, so I'm going to say tab rep 78, comma, then I'm going to generate rep underscore cat like this, and then it will produce 5 new dummy or 5 new indicator variables, where rep cat 1 is equal to 1 if rep 78 is equal to 1, all the way through to rep cat 5, which is equal to 1 if rep 78 is equal to 5. So hopefully this helps make your generating of indicator variables more efficient and that this was helpful. If it was, make sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time for another Sunday Stata tip.